Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to talk about Excel today. Uh, as you can see, I'm opening my Excel document. Let me expand this. I'll get a blank workbook. Now, I'm going to share about this Excel terminologies. This square bracket you're seeing is called a cell, and it being highlighted like this it's now called an active cell. An active cell, it contains rows and columns. As you see, this is a column and this is a row. So on this, if you look at it well, this is C2. That's how you read it, and it is shown here. It is shown here on the name box that this cell that is active is C2. So whatever you see here, the entire sheet, this one is called a worksheet. The entire is called a worksheet. That's the entire. Also, when I come up here, as I put the cursor here, it's called the formula bar. Formula bar. This is where you apply any formula you'd want to. Like now, let's say on this active cell, I'd want to get the sum. Let me choose this sum. It will show. So this formula has appeared on the formula bar. This is the formula bar. So any formula I type in will appear on the formula bar. And this one is an active one. This one, when I put it like this, I want to make this. Let's remove that. The next is when I bring my cursor down here, this ribbon, I can put it on this ribbon. This one are sheet tabs. So, and this is a sheet. This is sheet 1. When I want to add another sheet of Excel, I would come here and then get this arrow. When I click it, it says new sheet. Click it, comes sheet 2. When I click again, there's sheet 3. So that's where you create sheets. But I want to use sheet 1, okay, which is here. Now, I remember speaking about the function. A function is any calculation or operation that you do on Excel. Any calculation or operation, like let's say one get the sum, then you can start value 6, let's put 7, set a value like 9, and now on this we are getting the sum of these values. This is a value, this is a value, this is a value. These are they are called values because they are entered. Now when I say it's a function, let's say I'm using sum, so I'll add C4 to C6, and then I close and enter. So I have summed this. When I come here and click, this is the formula I've used to appear on the formula bar. It means I have summed from C4, this is C4, read like from column to row, then up to C6. So this is the function I used, which is this. This is the function I used. Wow. Also, I want to show you cell reference. Now, when I click this will be this. When I come here, then I highlight like this. Since I've used it already, then it would have been active if this formula wasn't entered. The other dots would show that it's cell referencing. So let's try ranking. I'm going to rank. this, if I had like values here and these were averages, for instance, let's say this was an average, then I'm ranking here. So I'll put equals rank, then rank equation, then I pick a value. This is called self-referencing. See, it is highlighted, and because it's self-referencing and this is ranking, when I strike F4, I insert dollar signs, then a comma. I want it from ascending. One, and I close. Okay, then so this is it. Now when I come, I will just autofill, and it comes in. Also, as you can see, this is 1, 2, 3. This is from order 1, 2, 3, then ascending. Also, I want to show you that this is, as this is a row, and I bring my cursor here, and I click it's 0. Then when I bring it here and it is dark, when it is dark, it's a color. That is a color. Now we can also expand. When I bring my cursor and it shows this cross as two directions, one going this side and the east and the west, I can move to create more room for this and make it bigger. See, like here, so it makes it bigger in Excel. Lastly, this is the ribbon where you can get easily access the things you would want. This is home, this is insert, when you want to insert tables, this is a ribbon. And thank you for watching. May you comment, like, subscribe. Till next time.